Hey, this is Manny Fresh for another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to play Fortnite using the PS4 controller on your iPhone. In order for you to be able to play using the PS4 controller, you would have to have iOS 13 on your iPhone installed. If you have iOS 12 or below, this won't work. As of this video, they have released the iOS 13 beta version for people to download and try it out, but I know they are expecting to release iOS 13 sometime this year. So in order for you to know if you have iOS 13, you go to settings here, and then go to general, about, right there where it says software version. If it says 13, then you could go ahead and follow along. And again, you have to wait until iOS 13 is released for you to be able to play Fortnite using the PS4 controller. So now that you know what you need, the next step is to connect the PS4 controller via Bluetooth. And we're gonna go do that right now. So what you need to do is you need to press the share and the home or the PS Plus button here. And what's gonna happen is your light will start flashing, but since my phone's already connected, that's why it's not flashing. So let's do that again. Okay, turn the Bluetooth on. So press the share and the home PS button here until you see that flashing light. Then on your Bluetooth settings, you're gonna see DualShock controller, and it says connected, and then the light went back to solid. Now again, if you have iOS 12 or below, you won't see the DualShock 4 wireless controller option. Trust me, I already tried it, and that's why I had to upgrade to iOS 13. It was a new change they did, so I'm glad they did, because you could play now Fortnite mobile with your PS4 controller anywhere you are. So now that you connect that, you could go now open the game. Okay, so as you see, I'm pressing the buttons and I'm having movements. So the options button work. Great. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into a quick match here. And you don't even have to change any settings. I mean, you could if you want to change it from Builder Pro to something else. Another glitch that I know is Fortnite on the phone sometimes will take some time to load, so you might not even be on the pre-load out screen where you wait for people to load. You might find yourself at the end of the trip from the bus, falling away from the map. So I don't know if they're gonna fix that, but it's been happening, and it is happening to me right now. As you can see, I'm not even on the pre-loading screen. And I'm using my home wireless connection to be able to play the game. Of course, if you have good LTE data, you could play using your data. All right, it's loading now. And that's what I was telling about. Okay, as you can see, it's working. You can press some of these buttons here. The D-pad to dance, call out what you need, check your guns, rearrange your guns, and then to signal there. All right, so we have a fully functional controller playing Fortnite. If you have any questions or any issues, please leave your comment below.